Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, back in the land of grills, folks. Had a great weekend away from the land of grills, but glad to be back. Always good to be back, especially when you're coming back to the land of grills. And I've got some burgers I want to do up tonight. And I was just thinking, when's the last time we fired up the baby Q, the baby blue Weber Q1200, folks? That's what we're gonna do today. Let's take a look at those burgers. All right, so if you've been watching, I cooked these out on actually on the Blackstone a couple days ago, and I found these up in northwestern Wisconsin. They're actually made in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and they're called Smokin' Joe's Grill and Meats. And these beef onion were so good the other night that on the way home today, back to the land of grills, I had to stop and pick up a couple bundles of these because my mouth is just watering because these were so good the other night. So let's get the Q warmed up and let's get them on the grill. All right, folks, let's get our burgers on 450. Perfect. These things run notoriously warm, so you got to be careful how you set them, but they work great. And if you're wondering, this is the Q1200. There's bigger ones. This is like on the smaller side. There's a Q1000, Q1200, then it goes up and up and up and up, and they get relatively huge. So this one is a smaller one, and the stand that's on is a portable stand, which folds up, and it makes it extremely portable. And I do have the Weber light on there too, which works great in the wintertime or in the dark. So let's get our burgers on there. Better prepared. Nice sizzle going on there. Nice. All right, these won't take long. Give you a look-see. All right, folks, I thought I had you turned on, but I didn't. So there's the flip. That was 45 seconds, and then I turned on my half a turn or a quarter turn and went another minute or so, and there they are, browning up real nice. You can see it cooks pretty evenly, and a lot of that is because of that cast iron enamel coated grate. That's what's so great about this grill. That grate will outlast anything, and the rest of the shell is solid aluminum, so where's it going to go? In the burner? Stainless steel. So great Weber product. This type of product from Weber I absolutely enjoy. I know a lot of people have their opinions on these, but in my opinion, the Weber Q series, they're awesome. All right, folks, we're coming up on just about 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side, approximately. Let's do a flip here. Yeah. Are you getting hungry? Because I know I am. Toast up those buns and give you a look-see. Well, there's our sliders, folks. 4 minutes, and then a little bit of cooking up browning up our Hawaiian rolls there. Oh man, I know you want me to take a taste test of this, don't you? Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Finger looking good, folks. Onion in there, I'll tell you, makes that burger. It's awesome. Tom Horseman at YouTube, folks. On the Barbecue 1200, turned out great. Leave a comment, hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.